I'm here today getting ready. It is now 4:33 p.m. My Fitbit says I'm at 5,695 steps today on day 17, Saturday. Oh my gosh, March 1st, 2025. And I am going to, supercharge my workout this afternoon. As you can see, I'm getting suited up for the big game. The big game meaning major yard work. So stay tuned as I'm going to be grabbing my Ego Weed Whacker, which I absolutely love so much, and my tools. Like, I'm on my tools right here. I actually have tools in a bucket as well that I'm going to be bringing out to the mala, to the yard, to do some major work with my wife. So this is actually one of my most favorite, along with one of my favorite ways to get my steps in is taking care of the aina, malama aina, as we would say here in our islands, taking care of the land. So stay tuned, and I'm so excited to show you what we're gonna be doing. Yay! All right, you know what to do. Get your steps on and be your radiant selves. All right, I'll clock in at the end of the day. Cute.